Okay, so my apologies. I haven't really been posting on the Australian Carnivores channel recently because I've been focusing on my car channel a lot because that's been growing pretty fast lately. But there have been loads of new pictures that have opened up in the collection, including one from my jam band, which is pretty exciting. So I'm just going to be going around and showing them to you today. I'll start off with a bit of an unfortunate situation. I was playing handball with my granddad and it hit the tendril on my Veitchii burbigiae and snapped it right off. So unfortunately you're going to have to wait a bit longer to see a new picture from that one, but there are quite a few insects in there. Quite a lot actually. It's interesting. Anyway, Copelandii has got a very nice new one right there. You can see the purple on the inside. This plant's just been growing wonderfully. It has one on the basil that's starting to get really big actually. That's nice. There's another one trying to get into my exotica plants over there. Here's the second most recent picture, which is massive. Or massive for my Copelandii. Oh, this one I'm very excited about. My petiolata popped a new picture, and that's looking extremely nice. It looks a lot like Nepenthes alata, actually. I thought it would have a bit of a thicker peristome, but maybe that comes later on. I believe it does have another picture forming over the other side right there. A glandulifera popped one open, albeit it's quite a small picture. Boschiana cross gentle popped open. I'm not sure if I showed these in the last video, but anyway. Jamban, it's only barely popped open, but it's a little bit larger than the last one. So you can see that there, looking very nice. I'm getting a bit worried for the Jamban because it's getting quite hot, and it might not like that, so we'll have to see. Boschiana, I haven't checked on it. Oh, the picture's popped open down there. It's looking quite nice. I believe Eat Me Exotics' plants are up to probably around this size by now, but mine's still tiny. Ventricosa cross lavicola's got a couple pictures around the side. Hamada burbigiaes are doing quite well. You can see there's a picture down there. Truncata ventricosa's popped a massive one off the basil, so that's looking very nice. It's got the thick peristome. Up here's the reason I made this video. Oh my gosh, look at that Roko picture. I'm going to take a photo because that's going to be the thumbnail right there. That looks incredible. Look at the striped peristome. Just look at the length of that picture. I have to say around 20 centimeters for that one. The picture in there on my Truncata, Roko Exotica Boschiana Truncata has got some nice stripes. The one off the basil has popped and that looks magnificent. You can see it in there. Apologies for that bit of plastic in the way. You can see that. That looks very nice. Yeah, I think this is the first update video in a while that I've had this many new pictures. The one on the Truncata nebularum's looking absolutely magnificent with that bronze peristome in the sun. I've got some more around this side. Maxima has got one right there and another one down there. Try not to step on any bugs if they're avoidable, any disgusting stuff. There's a couple pictures in there that look pretty nice. One here's popped open on my Maxima trismodiensis. And there's one in there that's just popped open on my Ventricosa truncata down there. Looks nice. My big Ventricosa is just starting to put out its first pictures of the year. Well, oh, just knocked that over. I think it should have some on the basil, but it's too far in there to really tell. It's sort of coming out that way. Yeah, but there's the first little Ventricosa picture. Oh, there's another one over that side. There's some more. These are all Roko pictures. 3 here, another one there, as you probably saw. That's that vine that's come out here, and it's gone all the way up. Might have to take cuttings of that soon. The main Roko vine, which is going out that way, has a picture forming right there, and it probably has some more in the middle. And I've just noticed, if I can dig my way through this forest, There's a ventricosa picture all the way in there. So that one's probably going to open first. Maximus Stenophylla Laurea Roccovichii got two pictures on the way down there. We'll move around this side. Laureavichii Boschiana's got a nice one. That's probably going to pop open soon. The Ventricosa Sibunensis Rocco picture has fully popped open. It's a bit messed up. Not sure how the peristome split there. The picture that got split open by the handball is starting to die off now, so that's a shame. It has got another one around the back though. The Rebecca Soper has got a nice one on the basal that's more visible now with the rearrangement that you hopefully saw on my shorts. Basically all of these pictures are popped open now. They're not as large as last year's ones, but they're still pretty big. I'll move around here. Truncata Squat's actually starting to form a picture after about a year and a half. The new Exotica plants haven't really done anything. I've noticed my Truncata Borsiana is doing pretty well back there. This one is forming a picture. I'm not sure if that's any larger than it was. A couple pictures are starting to die off there, so that's a shame, but inevitable. Just having a quick look around. I can't really see anything too exciting. This picture's down here. I've already showed this a lot. It looks really nice. Orchids are doing pretty well. So now we can move on to the tree. There's one picture I wanted to show you. This is Ventricosa jacquelineae. That looks very nice. You can see it. There's nice flat peristome. There's a picture all the way up there on my alata, the straight form, not the ventrata. It looks pretty nice. We'll shuffle around here because there's some pictures all the way over there on my Rocco, within the tree, so pretty hard to get out if I ever have to, but it's a nice lower picture down there. My Rocco cuttings are doing pretty well in the tree. That picture's fully popped open. I believe there's another one over here somewhere. It's about to pop. Yep, right there. Looks nice. The Rocco lower pictures look way better than the uppers, but they just start to vine so quickly. Here's an upper. Truncata Cross Mira. Yeah, I wanted to talk about this one because this is a cutting I got for free from David. He's a friend of mine who has a Nepenthes collection and he sells them at the meetings. I got this for free because he thought it was just going to die because it didn't have any roots, but it's starting to form a pretty reasonably sized picture, so I'm excited for that. Has another one on the other side that sort of popped midway through the forming process. Maxima talingensis, that's looking, oh wow, that's really big. Yeah, this plant can get pretty large considering it's a talingensis hybrid. Oh wow, I've just noticed there's a picture on the other side. I think that's popped open already. I'll have to let you guys see it, but I won't be able to, so hopefully it shows it well. Hopefully that showed. If it doesn't, I'm sorry, but I can't get any better without taking the plant out, which is impossible because, yeah, well, it's a shame. Oh, there's another one over there, so that looks nice. Oh, the parent of that hybrid, Maxima, the picture on that has popped over there, which looks nice. Ventricosa's got a couple pictures there. This Louisa, it's not really doing anything. Oh, St. Pacificus, I've just noticed. It's got a new picture. Oh, that looks pretty nice. This is a plant that actually flowered last year, which is a bit unusual because it's a bit small. Have a look at the Sarracenias. I'm not really sure there'll be... Oh no, there's quite a bit of new growth. I'm not sure when the last time I showed these was, so I'm just going to show you everything. Flytrap, the flower has grown substantially as well as the other plant. This Caprea has got two pictures coming up. The Philava rubricapora cross Rugelii. This particular picture right here is looking a bit more red than the others, so I'll be excited how that particular rhizome turns out. I might have to separate these soon. Look at that beautiful red on the pictures right there in the sun. Looks very nice. Right here, got some Flava Maxima with that copper lid. Those look very nice, especially in the sun. Joshua Benata's got a flower on there, down from the Flava ornata. The Flava, just the regular form in my first bog, has popped open its first picture, so I'll be very excited to see that in the future. The variegated grass is still doing well, of course. Oh yeah, there's a very weird mutated Nepenthes flower over there. I'll show you after this. But here's a regular one that has like one stalk, but there's one over there that has like 4 or 5. It's really weird. Oh, here's one with 2. Yeah, so that's one with 2. Yeah, there's one over there with 4, so I'll show you that after. Sarracenias have really started to pop off in this bog. The Caprias are looking wonderful. Just look at that. Yeah, this might also be a thumbnail competitor. Oh my gosh, these pictures are one. I've never had Sarracenia do this well in the past, by the way. They've always sort of flopped over in the wind, and these have as well, but try to tie them up a bit more. The Rugelii, however you want to say it, are doing pretty well. They're not showing the cutthroat as much as the ones over there are, but still nice. My Rubicapora has put out a very green picture, which is a bit of a shame because it's supposed to be red, and it was red last year, but hopefully it'll start showing that coloration. And I've even got a picture on the Rugelii offshoot, which I might cut out, but I'll probably leave it. And there's even a tiny one right there. So that's pretty exciting. Oh my gosh, even my dead fly trap's sprouting up again. Okay, so everything's doing well. Hopefully we'll get some more moss growth because I've been watering this pot a lot more lately. And you can see there's some moss around the edges. I usually just fill it up with the hose. Actually, I'll just show you now because it's hard to explain. I'll just turn this on. It's a bit hard to do with one hand. You just turn that on, then you get this, and it fills it up pretty quickly. If I can get it in the right position. It's not very good, but I just do this until it fills up to like the brim of the pot, and then it soaks into the soil. So you can see it does flow out the end of the tray, but it flows out slower than the water's coming in. So it does eventually fill up like it's sort of flooded. So you can see there, it's like submerged basically. With the other bog it works a bit better, that one. But yeah, you can see it's like underwater, and that's how they actually sit in the wild. So I might as well do it with this bog while I'm at it. This one can actually fill up to the brim of the pot because it has more soil in it. But I don't think I'll get this one to fill up today because it, as you can see, it kind of ruins the sundews. But yeah, so that's basically how I'll water them. This one always dries out really fast, so I'll give that a bunch of water. But the others are usually pretty good. So yeah, I'll show you that 4-flowered sundew. Yeah, you can see that's already dried out, but yeah, hopefully I'll be able to grow some nice moss in that bog, like in over there. Oh, that's even flowering, how nice. So, hope you enjoyed this video. I'll quickly turn this off before I forget. There you go, always leave the hose open because one time I forgot to turn it off and I closed the hose and it was leaking water all night, which wasn't good. Yeah, here's the weird mutant sundew flower. I'm not sure if you can even see that, but it's got 4 stalks. Yeah, it's really weird. But you could more easily see it when it was curled up. Yeah, so that's what a normal one should look like. And that's this one. It's really weird. Oh, I've also got a couple 3-stalkers over there. That's 3. I believe that's got 3, yep. I've got a couple 2. Oh my gosh, look at this. Is that another 4-stalker? Maybe even 5. Oh no, only 4, but that's really weird. I don't know if that has something to do with the sundews like mutating because they haven't been taken care of enough, but yeah, I don't mind it, so I don't think it matters that much. Yeah, most of the Sundews have like 2 or 3 stalkers now, as you can see. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed this update video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.